So I'm visiting my brother-in-law today in Kawak. Got a couple of chickens here. Potential cockfighting roosters, I'm not sure. They look like roosters. Oh. Alright. He's cooked me a nice lunch with kinilau, sinigang, and some pork cuttings. This is his house.
Hello.
Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
And there's a sinigang, kinilau, cucumber, and some pork. Let's muss it up. And just to top it off, a bit of red horse. Say hello, people. Shout out to blogging. Hey, don't be shy now. You weren't shy before. Don't be shy.
Hello vlog. Hello guys.
Hello guys. Hello world.
Hello vlog. Autumn.
Cheers. Big ears. Right. So today I'll be heading to San Felipe. Liwa, I think it is. That area there, that little stretch of coastline. I'm going to see what it's like there. It's the next town from San Felipe. So I'm just leaving Subic now, making my way down there. So that I know. Come along. So we got some very dark clouds ahead of us. I definitely feel like we're going to get some rain. Might need to find some undercover. Either that or I'll put on the rain jacket. I really don't want it. Well, I am stuck at some sort of bus stop, tricycle stop, with old mate over there in his tricycle. And I'm gonna basically wait here because it is raining heavily. I'm parked up again opposite the, I'll show you. Over there is the Fiesta, what is it? Fiesta Pride or Prime? It's like a subdivision. All new housing developments. I was talking to the receptionist at the pub hotel. She reckons these 2-3 bedroom houses are around 2 to 3 million pesos. So yeah, it's a little too close and too close to the other people for my liking. I prefer a little bit of separation, a bit of a gap between my neighbours and myself. But yeah, if you want something that's already built, I guess that's not a bad solution. Quick and fast. Thought I'd show you guys the bridge as you head over towards San Felipe. There's a lot of ash still hanging around from Mount Pinatubo eruption. Obviously there's the mouth there. River mouth leads out to the ocean. Supposedly there's a couple of surf around the corner. We'll go find out. So we're now entering San Felipe. It's a nice entrance. Here's another bridge heading over towards San Felipe. This one's not as big a river, or more like a creek, that bridge. This is the township of San Felipe, Brazil. I'll do a little bit of a ride around, get the feel of the place. So we've been fortunate enough to have the sun come out, which is great. Totally gives a totally different vibe to any place. Another bridge to cross over. Steel plated bridge. I'll quickly show you guys the outlook. There we go. Keep going. Hopefully we'll hit the beach soon. Hey, doggy. I think I can start smelling the sea air from here onwards. keep going forward. Guess so. Give it a go. Another off the beaten path. Well, hopefully I can squeeze through here. Should be able to. Maybe, maybe not. It's okay? Wow. Ouch, ouch. I just squeezed my foot in between my bike and the other tricycle there. Really timed that wrong. Okay, I think I can still. I think I need to turn right and go left. Oh. Yeah, I tried to squeeze my leg in between that tricycle and mine, and I wasn't too successful. Hang on. Maybe I have to go back a little. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'll go like that. And let's walk, drive around for a bit. Pine trees, big skinny pine trees, or tall skinny pine trees. Beach house for sale. Beach resort that way, so there's a lot of skinny paths to take to get to the beach. See if I can go down this one. This is a nice little alleyway, more like an alleyway than a street. Deeper huts, CDC hut spot. Oh yeah, sun in hand beach resort. Yeah, cool. Martinez private resort. Private resort this way. Okay. Dala Hit Point Beach Resort. Going. Looks like the weather's wreaked havoc down here. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to get it out or in. Anyway, I'll stop here, I reckon. Oh yeah, let's check this. We made it. I'm glad I didn't go on the beach actually, because think I would have got stuck. It's very fine sand. I'll show it to you. There you go. Oh yeah, it's nice here. Oh, it's nice because the sun's out. There you have it. Got a bunker boat right there. Steal it, take it out. Do some fishing. There you are. Too bad. Oh, there's a guy fishing over there. He's in the water. Having a crack at fishing. Got a long rod. There's a big ship out there. There's another guy fishing out there. So those are all the resorts that are lined up along the beach. Oh, that water looks so good. There you have it, people. There is a little bit of surf here. That one back there, you can ride that. That'd be perfect for someone like me. A real beginner. Yeah, that's alright. That's alright. Had to do a couple of turns just to get out of that little tight spot. It's very hard to do a 3-point turn with a bike in such a narrow alleyway. Getting the stairs, a lot of people keep looking at me. Hello, how are you? Fine. That's good. I haven't seen many foreigners in this area so far. Oh, there you go, there's a house for rent on the left hand side. There's a couple of them actually. Ah. I haven't come across a sort of a beach boulevard on this one, but I think I might come across it. Maybe they have one. Yeah, this place has got that beach vibe that I like. Sun's View, Liwa Beach Village and Resort. Okay. I really don't like it when all the resorts just take up the beachfront. There really should be some sort of public boulevard that, you know, people should be able to walk across without having to walk on a private piece of property. But, you know, I'm just saying that actually I'll go to the walk towards the end and then I might go down that side alley. That side alley looked a lot bigger than the one I went through before. nice here because you got all these pine trees lined up. Zabin pines. Okay. Yeah, that looks alright. Straw huts. Liwa. There is a lot of construction going on here, so I've noticed straight away. Sandy's Beach Resort on the right there. Looks like I've hit the end. Alright, I've hit the end. Please don't block the driveway. I don't think. Limliwa Beach Resort. Look at that. That's a nice entrance. Even that one. Beautiful. Can't go wrong. Anyway, pine needles are landing on my head. Let's see if I can go down that side alley. Of these resorts that are built like kubo huts. They look quite nice. The one at Liwa Sand looks really good, but their doors are closed. Now where's that side alley that I saw? I think this is the one. Let's go down here. Yeah, this will be easier to turn around in. I won't take the bike all the way up here because sand gets a little bit softer. It's going to be impossible. But look at this. How nice is that? Obviously, I think that's a resort too. Resorts everywhere. Whoa, yeah. This is not bad. By the looks of it, been a bit of damage going on. With all the rains and whatnot and the high winds. Yeah, this is nice. This is not bad. There you have it. All those are pine trees there lined up. Wouldn't want a fire because they're the first ones that catch on fire. Pine trees burn really good. I know. Yeah, that's quite a nice beach actually. Here comes the rain. There's rain clouds over there, and I can see over there towards Subic. Looks pretty dark. I might have to chuck on my raincoat later on the way home. Ah, yeah, that is nice. There you have it, people. Well, I was glad I came down here today because I was eating at a carinderia in Castellios, and the lady was telling me that yeah, I shouldn't go down here because it's not the best time of the year. Probably not, and she reckons it's not good. It's all the rain, but I had to go check it out myself. So there's a lesson learnt there. Don't taking what people's opinions are, but follow your own instincts.
Hindi mo, panama sa first love. Bali mo ako, sinama mo dito.
Hello. Hello. Alright, let's do this. Let's make our way back. Why won't it go? Bit of sliding going on. Toot toot. Make way for this Ford Ranger. Hello, how are you? Hello, ma'am. It's good to be friendly. Looks like there's a couple of people down here that are having a holiday. So there are a couple of, tourists here. We'll go over this pub. We'll go this way. We'll go to the end of it and have a look. Yeah, they seem to be doing quite a fair bit of construction going on in here on the roads and on the buildings and the resorts. Sorry for some of these dogs, I see. Others look alright. Obviously, some owners really love their dogs, and others just don't care. Or they could just be stray dogs, really, to be honest. Yeah. Right there. bad to sign also. I like the wide open road. I've got a funny feeling this is going to come to a dead end. Little river there on the right hand side. And yes, it is a dead end. We have it. We got ourselves a dead end. Got a couple of actually I might do the drone shot for that one.